Unscrew the seat screws by hand and keep them safe for later use. And remove the seat. Use 2 flathead screwdrivers to carefully remove the clip nuts. Use a T40 Torx wrench to remove the original fixing screws. Take out the nuts and screws fixed on the rear fender and use needle nose pliers to remove the upper screws. Attach the screws you just removed to the new rear fender. First, use needle nose pliers to install the upper screws. Only secure one side first. If you try to install both sides at once, it may get stuck on the frame. Install the rear fender onto the vehicle and secure the other side. Use the Torx wrench to tighten the screws, ensuring the fender is firmly in place. Finally, reattach the seat and tighten the screws to complete the installation.